Warday.
19 wins. All 19 wins coming by way of knockout. He's boxing's
19 knockouts?
champion with a 100% knockout rate.
100% knockout ratio. Okay, I know this one, Triple G.
35 fights.
35 victories.
35 victories, including 32 wins by knockout, 22 consecutive KOs, and he has KO'd every opponent.
Every
he's
opponent
faced over the last
8 years. Oleksandr Usyk.
Perfect record consisting of 23. He's a two-division undisputed world champion, the current Ring Magazine champion, the reigning, defending, undefeated WBC, WBA,
Oh my God.